I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mariaka. In today's video we are going to make a floating shelf. So for this video we're going to use wood furnishing cleaner, that is just to protect the wood and to enable you to wipe it easily when it gets dust. And then we need scissors to cut our fabric. We need pencil and a ruler, and then we need a pair of gloves to apply our varnish to the wood. Make sure the wood is strong and sturdy. We need fabric, we need studs. This is optional. You can also use buttons or any bigger item that you have. And then we need rings and a piece of cloth. Our first step, we are mixing wood varnish and the cleaner. So I use a ratio of 1 to 1. So if you take 1 spoon of varnish, then you take 1 spoon of cleaner. And then we will use a piece of cloth to apply the varnish to the wood. But if you have a brush, you can also use that one. Our next step, we measure out the straps that will hold the shelves together on the wall. Kindly make sure to use fabric that is strong so that it doesn't fall off when you secure it to the wall. I used 4 cm diameter for this piece.
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
The wood had some dents, so I used a staple gun to secure it in with a staple gun. Remember to put in the rings before screwing in the handles. They help with the stability of the shelves when you secure it on the wall.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
So I used a manual press stud machine to secure in the press button. The stud holds the ring in place so it prevents the ring from falling out when you're washing it. But I think you can also use buttons if those are the ones that you have available in your house. The straps are portable, so they do not need to be attached to the wood. Just make sure to use hooks that are firm to secure it on the wall, and adjust the straps to a comfortable and even hold. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Kindly remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment and share, and help me grow my channel. So So guys, here are some of the ways that you can use the shelf to either display your decor items or as a shelf for everyday use items or products. So for this case, I have displayed some decor items. I have displayed toiletries. So you can use the shelf for virtually anything. It has a palm hold. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.